G'day guys, Grumpy Trev back again with another, well, this one's not a 5-minute bite of minute, this one's going to be a quick review though. After doing the live stream the other day with our snappers and our whoops going around the track, had a lot of questions. They wanted to know what we use to connect it to the computer and so on. So this is a quick review on the OTG receivers from eSheen and how easy they are to hook up. So anyway, we won't waste any time, whack it on the bench and let's go. Right, we'll plug this in. We'll start the app first. Plug it in. As like I said, it's not rocket science. Really easy to use. It'll find the receiver, which is done now. Turn your phone the other way. You get the wider view. To tune these things, all you do is just hold the button down, and I'll just do a quick one of that. Hold it down. It just scans through the whole frequency, automatically locks in. You can't get much easier than that. Works really well with most phones that I've tried anyway, but that's not what I got it for. I got it for the pit, so you can just plug it straight into a PC. It recognises it. Use something like OBS to stream your feed, and it's really easy to configure up. And there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube with OBS if you want to play around with that sort of stuff. Told you the review was going to be quick. Not a lot to show on these things. They're just so easy to use. Plug them in. They just plug and play, really. The black one is $33. This one with the Versa is actually $31. So I'll leave a link below. That's the white one up on the screen now. $31.62 Aussie. So that's about $20 US. Well worth the investment. They do work really, really well, and they're pretty good receivers. And I can pick your nose easy with this one. Anyway, if you like the review, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, well, I don't give a shit. So catch you next time.